Okay, class, please listen. I'm from the United States. I am American. The United States is a country. A person from the United States is American. Let's do a few others. Mexico is a country. A person from Mexico is Mexican. Japan is a country. A person from Japan is Japanese. Italy is a country. A person from Italy is Italian. El Salvador is a country. A person from El Salvador is Salvadoran. Canada is a country. A person from Canada is Canadian. France is a country. A person from France is French. Russia is a country. A person from Russia is Russian. Korea is a country. A person from Korea is Korean. Now listen to my question. Where are you from? Again, where are you from? Miguel, ask me.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States. Good. Jane, ask me.
Where are you from?
I am from the United States. Jane, where are you from?
I am from China.
Good. Now you ask someone else.
Where are you from?
I am from Mexico.
Lana, ask someone.
Where are you from?
I am from India.
Farid, ask someone.
Where are you from?
I am from Korea.
Good. Nice job, everyone. Now it's your turn. Please ask me.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. How about you?
I'm from Russia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hi, I'm from France. And you?
I'm from the United States.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
This is Canada. This is Ingrid. Ingrid is from Canada. She's Canadian. Repeat. Ingrid is from Canada. She's Canadian. This is Russia. This is Natasha. Natasha is from Russia. She's Russian. Repeat. Natasha is from Russia. She's Russian. This is France. This is Debbie. Debbie is from France. She's French. Repeat. Debbie is from France. She's French. This is the United States of America. This is Richard. Richard is from the United States of America. He's American. Repeat. Richard is from the United States of America. He's American.
There are many students in Ms. Marquez's English class. They're all from different countries. Lana is from Russia. She's Russian. Jane is from China. She's Chinese. Jagrash is from India. He's Indian. Farid is from Iraq. He's Iraqi. How about Miguel? Where is he from? He's from Mexico. The students like to learn about the countries and nationalities of their friends.
Good evening, everybody.
Good evening, Ms. Marquez.
Today we will talk about the countries we come from and our nationalities. Let's take a look at this map. I am from the United States. The United States is a country. What other countries can you name? Celia.
México.
Yes, Mexico. Any other countries?
Russia.
Yes, Russia is a big country. Can you name any other countries?
Iraq.
Let's take a look at Iraq on the map. Someone name one more country.
Korea.
Let's take a look at Korea. Good job, everyone.
American. 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 Mexican. 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 Japanese. 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 Italian. 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 Canadian. 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 Salvadoran. 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 French. 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 Russian. 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 Korean. 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 English. 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 Chinese. 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 Iraqi. 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 Indian. Indian. Indian.